How to fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 crashing. Now, I'm going to be providing you specific factors why this is happening on your current software or client directly from Euro Truck Simulator. So we all know that you could actually get Euro Truck Simulator 2 via Steam or via the client itself. So for the client itself, all you have to do is to make sure that, of course, you have a stable internet connection. You need to put or to have at least a maximum amount of bars that you have from your signal icon right here. Now, the other thing that you can do before doing this troubleshooting is make sure that Track Simulator is not running on any of your task managers. If it does, just simply click on your Euro Truck Simulator and then just simply head on and task. Now, next is to make sure that your specific Windows operating system is updated to its latest version. However, if you're using Truck Simulator 2 on your Steam account, all you have to do is just to uninstall it directly from Steam and try to reinstall it again. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 crashing.